So, it's our little herd dog right here. Bandit. A little pocket puppy. Come on. Let's go herd the chickens. Get in there. Go help mama. Go ahead, hurry up.
Come on, Bandit. Come on. Come on, Bandit. Can you see if I fold this?
I can see. Go herd them.
Come on, Bandit.
Go help mama.
Come on. Come on, Bandit. Help me. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're supposed to.
He don't want to do it now. He might do it with the other ones.
They probably will. They already checked them.
Go inside. Go. Watch out. Watch out. They picking you. They picking you, bro. Growl at them.
Come on, Trump.
Get him. Oh, there's Trump.
There's another one like him, too. A black and white one.
Come on, Bandit. Come on, Bandit. Bandit, come. Bandit. Alright. Let's do the big ones. Come on, man. You ain't gonna do it because I'm out here. He got a feather in his mouth. You see that, yo? He got a feather in his mouth. He ain't worried about nothing. Quack, 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 quack. Man, you grew big fast, boy.
They can go inside.
Hurt him up.
Hurry him up.
Hurt him up. He ain't gonna do it now. I got the video camera. I got this.
They can go in.
He said, "You crazy woman." All right, y'all. Tried to do it with him.
That is everywhere.
Peace out.